Welcome back to me and your garage. Today we're going to be working on this Porsche Macan. We're going to do a brake job. This kit costs $850. Look at all these parts we got from SCP Euro. These are the brake pads. These are the pizza boxes that I call the rotors. Clips, brake sensors, bolts, more bolts. These are some of the parts tools we're going to be using. This is a breaker bar. It's kind of heavy. This is a brake cleaner. This is a brake lubricant. This is a brake pad compressor. This is a fan sprockets. This is a water puller. This is a torque wrench. This is a ratchet wrench.
Thank you, Vevor, for sending us these tools to make this brake job easier. They sent us a cordless electric ratchet wrench. It comes with 2 batteries and it features a variable speed trigger, which will be nice when removing some of those caliper bolts. And they also sent us a new torque wrench, which is essential to tighten bolts to the right torque spec. This is a must-have tool if you work on cars. More information and links are in the description box below, and we do receive commissions, so it'll help out the channel. Thank you, Vevor. Now let's get back to the video.
First step is to loosen the lug nuts. Next step is to remove the caliper ports. We have to use this flying socket 14mm. This is where you use the breaker bar. I will show you how you do it.
Ready? Down. Good. 2, 1.
Go. I say 3, 2, 1, go. And you say 3, 2, 1, down. Let's do the bottom one.
3, 2, 1, down.
Up.
Down. Lefty loosey.
Lefty loosey.
Go.
Check out that variable speed trigger. So easy to use, a 4-year-old could do it.
It is strong. Detach the sensor. Take it off.
Okay. It's off.
Oh. You could use a hanger or a bucket to hold this caliper. See right now it's on hook, or you could use a bucket like that, or a trash can bucket, if you say so. Next step is to remove the rotors. the lemon squeezy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Information in the box below. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.